बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, उम्मीद है कि आप सभी खैर वाफियत से होंगे। प्यारे बच्चों, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है नेशनल इनकम से जुड़ी हुई कुछ टेक्निकल टर्म्स लाइक जीडीपी, जीएनपी एंड एनएनपी। Dear students, we have learned in yesterday's lecture that what do we mean by national income. मैंने आपको समझाया है पिछले लेक्चर में कि जिस तरह एक इंडिविजुअल यानी कि एक इंसान की कोई ना कोई इनकम होती है साल भर की, इसी तरह एक मुल्क की भी आमदनी होती है। So I have told you in simple terms that what do we mean by national income. That is, national income refers to the total income of the nation in a particular period of time. National income data depicts, or we can say that it displays the aggregate economic performance of the economy as a whole. Now, in monetary terms, national income is the money measure of aggregate of all goods and services becoming available to the nation in a particular period of time. What is this particular period of time? In India, financial year usually starts from 1st April to 31st of March. यानी कि यहाँ पर जो नेशनल इनकम कैलकुलेट किया जाता है वो 12 महीने के लिए कैलकुलेट होता है। या तो यहाँ पर जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर है वो स्टार्ट होता है 1 अप्रैल से 31 मार्च तक। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, national income is a flow and not a stock. What is this flow? We may come to know when we explain this concept. So dear students, now let us start our today's topic, that is GDP. That is, what is GDP? The full form of GDP is G stands for gross, D for domestic, P stands for product. Yes, dear students, G stands for gross, domestic, D domestic, P product. Gross means total, कि टोटल कितना है। डोमेस्टिक हम किसको कहते हैं? अक्सर हम जब घर की तरफ इशारा देते हैं तो डोमेस्टिक कहते हैं। तो प्रोडक्ट हो गई इनकम। सो इन सिंपल टर्म्स वी कैन से दैट द नेशनल इनकम, और वी कैन से दैट GDP is the income which is generated within the homeland, that is within the national territory. In order to understand the concept that is GDP, GNP and NNP, let us take an example here. That let us consider three persons, that is Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C and Mr. X. Who is Mr. I will give a brief introduction of these persons. Who is Mr. A? Mr. A is actually an Indian who is working in India and is earning in India. Similarly, B is also an Indian and is working in India. But Mr. C is not Indian, it is Australian. It is Australian, but he is earning, that is, he is working in India. Mr. X is Indian, but he is not working in India. He is working in foreign country, that is, for example, say Dubai. if you look very carefully to this example, you would get the concept very concrete. What is person A? मैंने आपको कहा है कि पर्सन ए क्या है. जो इसकी आमदनी है साल भर की वो है 12,000. इसी तरह एनुअल अर्निंग ऑफ बी इज 7,000. इसी तरह एनुअल अर्निंग ऑफ दिस सी इज 2,000 एंड एनुअल अर्निंग ऑफ एक्स इज 5,000. यानी कि आमदनी, इनकी साल भर की आमदनी, जो ये काम करते हैं वहाँ से जो ये कमाते हैं, पैसा कमाते हैं, वो ए की है 12,000, बी की 7,000, सी की 2,000 और डी की, एक्स की 5,000. Now, dear students, let us understand concept like this. Now, if we add this terms, that is, now if we add up the income of person A, person B and person C, not person X, because X is Indian but is not working in India. He is working outside the India, for example in Dubai. Now if we add the income of A, income of B, income of C, what we will get? Income of A is 12,000, income of B is 7,000 and income of C is 2,000. If we add up these 12,000, 7,000, 2,000, we will get 21,000. This is the GDP. This is the GDP. So how can we define GDP? That what is GDP? So we can say that GDP is the total income earned within the geographical boundary of any nation. GDP is the total income earned by the persons or by the people within the geographical boundary of any nation. However, it should be noted here that the income may be earned by the residents of the same nation or by foreigners. This point should be remembered here. This is the main point in GDP. That is, the income earned by the people within the boundary of any nation. However, the income may be earned by the residents of nation or by the persons who are not the residents of that very nation. So dear students, in our given example, if we calculate here that what is the GDP, for example, we have taken here the example of India. So what is the GDP of India here is, it is 21,000 crores. For example, we can say it is crores. 21,000 crore. So this is the concept of GDP, यानी कि ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट. अब इसके साथ कुछ और टर्म्स रिलेटेड हैं, GNP, NNP, एंड इंशाल्लाह वी विल डिस्कस इट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया. खुदा हाफिज़.